I take Hava Zingboim's Active Gentle soap, which is their blemish cleanser, and I put literally a half a pump into my finger. Take some water. I always make sure my hands are absolutely clean right before doing this, so it foams up a little bit. There's not much detergents in it, so it doesn't foam up as much as the average cleanser. I do this for at least a good 30 seconds. I get the blood flowing. If I need, I add a little bit more water. Not near a sink right now, but generally I would wash my, I would sprinkle water at my face. I then take Hava Zingboim's Active Gel, which is their acne gel, and I put a teeny drop onto my hands. I literally put this amount, I take it, and depending on where, but I usually get my breakouts on my cheeks, so I tap it on my cheeks and a little bit on my chin. I then take the Purifying extract, which is amazing for just calming your skin and for acne prone skin as well. It is antimicrobial, antibacterial, it has tea tree, and really calms the skin. I love it. It feels so good. It's like their serum, it's their acne serum or calming serum. You can use it for other kinds of skin as well. I usually like to put my creams on right when I get out of the shower, so my face is wet and it can absorb everything, everything can penetrate more deeply. And then I just pat them in. And then I have this Crawford eye enhancing serum that I really like, and I just put a little bit of that, and I'll just pat that underneath my eyes. I haven't got my nails done in a while. And then use Hava Zingboim's Moisturizer Plus. It's for normal to oily skin. And I never use my finger to take it out. I always make sure to clean this, and it's a little spatula to take it out. I use about this amount. I take it and then I just go ahead and pat it in. I always make sure to get my neck and my chest. And then I use an Estée Lauder. I really like their eye cream, so it's I use this much. And I'll just I really care about my eye area to prevent getting eye wrinkles. I know it's inevitable, but I'm gonna try to prevent it for as long as I can. And that's my nightly routine. And then I make sure to change my pillowcase at least twice a week, if not more. Especially if I break out with anything, I change it the next night. And then I use a manual exfoliator once a week, and then I use a chemical exfoliator once a week. And I'll show you those either in another video or in one of my stories.